Good morning, guys. It is 4:04 a.m. I think my clock in the kitchen might be off, but Penny is up with me because she's like a little night owl. But I'm actually about to head to a workout, so I only have like 10-15 minutes to get ready. I only do this a few times a week, but I wanted to do kind of like a day in the life. Today should be busy. Give her a little morning treat. I'm gonna go change into workout clothes and I will catch up with you all in a bit. Just got dressed. I'm about to walk out the door, probably take off my necklaces. So I'm wearing this outfit. These are the DHK Fast and Free leggings, the full length version. They're amazing. Today's like a cardio day. And then this is from Girlfriend Collective. It's just very high support. This jacket from Target like a few years ago. And then I really need to head out. Oh, and I'm wearing my Hokas. I made it. Because one is vertical, the other one's like horizontal. TikTok is standing up like skinny, and then YouTube is sideways. Oh. Okay. Here we are. I just got back, and I swear to God that was one of the hardest classes I've ever done because it was all cardio and it was just too much. Anyway, I'm back. I'm gonna take a shower because I always feel so disgusting after 45, and I have to obviously wash my hair. I'm gonna make my espresso shots. I think I'm gonna get a new machine, but I'm gonna leave this. Olivia is obviously asleep. Let's look at her actually. Precious girl. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this cooling down. I'll do 2 shots. And then I'm gonna take a shower and show you all my coffee. I was about to say coffee order. No, my coffee recipe, I guess, for the fall. Okay, I'm back. Showered. I'm gonna make my actual coffee. I'll link these down below. These are from Marshall. Okay, so ice, so important. The bigger, the better. And this is the best milk. It's so good. Maybe like that much. Got these from Amazon. I'm gonna do a few pumps of this. I like 2. Look how pretty that looks. Then to top it off, I usually do cold foam or something like that, but I found this whipped cream at Target, maple vanilla, and they also had a pumpkin spice, I think, or like a marshmallow. Let Olivia wake up because I actually have to work, so I will talk to y'all later. Olivia and I are having breakfast. It is now like 7 something. Favorite naan bread. Look at this cutie pie who is going to the doctor today. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Doctor time. Also now Olivia's hair and my hair kind of match, because hers definitely leans a little more. Look, it's over there. So who are you talking to? Hers leans a little more red, especially in the sun. Okay, so if you've been following me for a while, you know this is the time of year when I become an unhinged person when it comes to spending money, and I cannot stop myself. So we just went to HomeGoods, World Market, oh, and the dollar store. And World Market was just putting out their Christmas stuff, and I could not resist. I got these adorable coasters. I got 2 of those. I am obsessed with this collection. It's like these rainbow trees. So I picked up 2 of these cups and just 1 of these serving platters because they didn't have any more. And then they were just putting out their ornaments. I think I'm gonna have to return this one though because it's too big for the wreath I want to DIY. I'll tell you all about that in the next vlog. Sugar Plum Village, and I love this gum looking ornament, and then this one is very cute. And then my husband wanted this for absolutely no reason. I am so not into gnomes, even though I'm going to show you a gnome thing, but yeah, we have that. And then as for Halloween, I'm usually not a Halloween person whatsoever. I don't think I've ever decorated anything for Halloween, but because of Olivia, I want to make it super cute. And also we are hosting a Halloween murder mystery party, so I wanted to get some supplies. I got this from the dollar store. It's definitely plastic, but I thought it was super cute, especially for the party we're throwing. And we got a ton of like very cute napkins. This one is like more little kids, but these are for our party. Drinks Up, which is my husband's pick, and surprisingly this was mine. And like I said, I want to make cute stuff for Olivia. I got these super cute little straws with the little ghosts. I think these are precious. I'm so excited for that. And also from the dollar store, I got these baskets with spiders, which yes, I'm incredibly triggered to put chips or anything like that. I thought these would be fun. And for Olivia's Halloween basket, I'm gonna make her a boo basket or whatever with certain things that I want to get her. I don't know if we're actually gonna take her trick-or-treating, but I thought this would be cute. So first I picked up this one, which I love. I think it's so cute, but then I saw this one and I couldn't resist, so I had to get both. These are technically for a party, but they are like actually good quality and something we can use over and over that we were needing. So this is more for like salsas and things like that. And then this is just like a little appetizer tray, actually a pretty big one that you can put like a dip in the middle or something. I'm in my hosting era. After Olivia's party, I think my confidence went up a little bit too much. Now I just want to host all the time. I'm just excited. This is like what I always wanted to do with my life, you know, be a mom, cute Pinterest, Halloween baskets, and host friends and family. So I'm super excited. On that note, this is another adult purchase. Have you ever got invited to something last minute and you don't have a card? Me too. So I thought I would just stock up whenever I would see cute cards that I would need like in the future. So I got a few different ones. I thought I got one for my friend's wedding, but I'm just realizing I did not. And then I picked up some thank you cards also to have. These are extremely adorable. And I'm loving the idea of decorating seasonally with garlands, like either the bar cart, the mantle, or Olivia's bookshelves. I picked these up. I have some from Etsy that are coming, so I'm not really sure how many I'm gonna keep. This one was cute. It just says ho ho ho. And then this one, it's a little more like traditional, you know, with the Christmas tree and the Santas and the wool I got from HomeGoods. And then I saw these. I know we're miles away. In an effort to be prepared, y'all, these are like upwards of 20 to 40 bucks on Etsy, and I found these for $5. So this one just says Easter in really pretty colors with the eggs. And like I said, I'm not into gnomes, but I thought the little bunny ears on these were so cute. Like I said, I want to be that mom now, so that's my big haul. And since I'm here showing y'all all the stuff I got today, I wanted to show y'all what I got from Revolution. I've tried Makeup Revolution for years now. I really love their concealer and their foundation, but I've never tried all their other products. So I got this, which is like an Olaplex alternative. This is their Bond Restore treatment, and then this is the same, but their shampoo. Very affordable, and I'm so curious to see how it compares since I have tried Olaplex and I don't love it. Especially I don't love the price point, so I would love to know if this is a good, more affordable alternative. So I'm gonna try all of this out and then let y'all know in a current favorites in like a month or so. And I had to get makeup. I got the translucent powder. I only use translucent powder on my under eyes, and I really like non-drying ones that keep my makeup on all day. So I'm super excited for this one. It almost has like a pinky tone, which is my favorite, so hopefully this is good. It's like one of their top rated products. And I got this Miracle Eye Cream from Revolution Pro. It looks like a good dupe for Charlotte Tilbury. Let me open it. Like, this packaging really gives me Charlotte Tilbury. It's their Revolution Pro line. I will let you guys know, I especially love eye creams for under makeup as almost like a primer to my under eye, so we'll see how good this one works. It's little, but usually a little bit of an eye cream goes a long way. Then I got this, which I'm super curious about. It's their Blur Stick, and it's a face primer, so I'm excited for that. I've been only using cream face products, so I got their cream bronzer, and this is a shade medium. It does look a little bit darker, but hopefully it matches. Lastly, I got their eyebrow soap styler, which I'm so excited about because I love when my brows look nice and fluffy. I'll link everything down below, and like I said, I will give you guys a thorough update and review in favorites video. That way I get a chance to like really try everything out. I will let you guys know if I like it. Can't even remember the last thing I vlogged because I've been running around my house filming a video like Amazon finds I use every day. That should be up way before this vlog, but I am unboxing a few packages. I got a box of baby clothes I'm super excited about. Oh my god, are you kidding me? Well, not even baby clothes, toddler clothes. Oh my god, y'all, I literally have a cardigan that looks the exact same as this, like the little knit with the tie-dye ombre thing. Her little Christmas pictures outfit. I still don't know where we're taking them, but I'm definitely gonna hire a photographer this time, so I wanted her to have very cute outfits for that. And then I just got like casual stuff because I couldn't resist. I'll have everything linked on my Amazon shop under baby girl clothes, I think. Mama's Mini, and it's embroidered and like this waffle knit. How cute, for like a pumpkin patch. And it comes with cute little pants. I don't know what me and Nate would wear, so I got her also red options. How sweet is this? This reminds me of something like my mom would put me in the 90s. This says happy. How adorable. I blame Amber Filler up for this one though. Look at those little strawberries. Oh my goodness. I can't. And I hate that the recycling just came by today because of course I'm gonna have a ton of recycling. Are you kidding? Cute. I can't. She's so big now. They're like actually embroidered on there. How cute. And they have this like grip. This is a little rainbow. Like what she will be wearing from a little bit on as PJs. So okay, this one is very cute and she can definitely wear right now. It looks a little small though. Look at it. Oh, so pretty. Look at that. It's like a tweed dress with this, like, I was about to say built in. Can you tell I've been thinking about the house too long? Sewn in undershirt. Oh my goodness. Houndstooth shoes. I'm gonna put all of this away and then I'm gonna finish that video real quick because we kind of have to leave soon-ish. And I want to get everything done before we head to a doctor, just in case, you know, she's not feeling so hot. After, I can just be with her and not have to worry about it. So let's put this away. Okay, please ignore the dogs being annoying and the pod behind me. Basically it's like my self-tanning pod. I'll do a video on it soonish, but I thought I would show you guys kind of like my very simple skincare, and I'm gonna do kind of like a hair routine as well, just because since I'm washing my hair in the morning I would rather it be doing something. So I guess let's start with my skin. So I've been using this. I love it. I keep meaning to talk about it in a favorites video, but I always have it here, so I always forget. But it's by Burst, and there it is. It's a toner and cleansing hydrating milk all in one, and I freaking love this. It says tones, cleanses, and removes your makeup and leaves your skin soft. I find it super hydrating, very gentle, doesn't break me out, etc. I think you can get this at Target. The brand sent it to me, and then they kept sending me every time I would run out, which is incredible, but I would purchase it with my own money in like a heartbeat because I'm obsessed. And I've had it for quite a bit, and I'm about to run out. Like, well, I'm not about to run out, but I have up to here. So I just do it all over. And even though I like literally just now cleansed my face in the shower, there's still makeup residue coming off, which is so crazy. So I just do that real quick, nothing crazy. So I'm gonna do the retinol by that same brand, like not sponsored at all. I just kind of switch between this and a super hydrating kind of like serum and things like that. So I think I'm gonna do this one today. I'm also gonna do this eye cream that I got from Amazon. Just like a little bit because it really does go such a long way. What's going on with you? Sorry, these dogs are going crazy, y'all. Retinol serum. It says it's for aging skin, dullness, and problem skin. I think that's everything I want to do for my face, actually. So let's move on to hair. As you know, I need all the help I can get. So I have serums, I have oils, I have things. I'm gonna do Olaplex on my ends. My hair is like super dirty because I've been working out. It also has a ton of like residue from dry shampoo and stuff. So I'm gonna do a little bit of Olaplex hair oil. Like I said, I don't care if it gets oily because as soon as I come home from my workout, I'm going to shower. Like, it doesn't look bad, it's just dirty. Like, I can feel it being dirty. And then I got this from Amazon, like in a box that they sent me. It's a Defy Damage Sleepover Overnight Nourishing Treatment. Holy crap, what a long name. You're supposed to like apply it like going to sleep, kind of like an overnight mask for your face, but for your hair. I don't really use it all that much. Sometimes I will use it, you know, the night that I wash my hair, for my scalp, because that also needs all the help. For hair growth, I have this one by Miel. I've heard from a lot of people about Danny Austin's brand. I forgot the name, DV or something like that. This is just like a bunch of oils: rosemary, mint, scalp and hair strengthening oil. So because it's so heavy, so I only do it when I need to wash my hair. If I did it more often, if I stop using so much heat, my hair would probably be healthier, but it's not. And lastly, I do a little bit of this one. This is the JVN pre-wash scalp oil for washing for shinier, healthy looking strands. I do feel a little embarrassed when I show up to my workout with my hair looking this disgusting, like oily and stuff, but I truly could not care less at 4 in the morning. And neither do the people that wake up to go work out at 4 in the morning. But yeah, this is from Amazon. I really like it because the bristles aren't super thick and silicone-y. They're actually more like plasticky. So if you know, you know, like the ones that like everyone has, those I feel like make it really hard to get in there, and they actually tangle my hair up quite a bit. And this one is basically like hairbrush strands from this brand. So that's everything for today's video. If you liked it, like something like a little bit more, I wouldn't say personal, because I do a lot of personal vlogs, but more like coming with me to do stuff, or like me actually doing stuff instead of just telling you. So let me know if you like that. But yeah, that's everything. I'll talk to you guys very soon in my next one. Bye. Good night. Hopefully you're not watching this at night. I do watch a lot of YouTube videos at night, but I love watching them when I do my makeup in the morning. So let me know when you watch me, if you do. Bye.